Welcome back to the channel. Today's Dollar Tree DIY is with Home, Peace, and Dream. These items were picked up out of the Dollar Tree for just $1 each. And so we're going to take some silver paint and get started on making this a nice little DIY. Be sure to stay tuned. Okay, so here's what they look like after they've been painted. Now, they do have like a little brownish tint to them, and mostly because when they're made of wood, it's probably a good idea to clear coat them, or maybe even put on a white first and then paint over them so that you don't have that kind of woody type look behind it. So, anyway, they have been spray painted silver, and so the next thing we're going to do is decorate them.
It's a takeover. And hi, my name is Charlie, and welcome back to the channel. And so, the first, we're doing the home sign first. And then we're going to be doing some Mod Podge on the home sign. Then rhinestones, glitter, and a medium paintbrush. And so, the first thing we'll be doing is Mod Podge.
Alright, so here is what Charlie completed. She did the dream with the glitter and the rhinestones on the left of the D and the right of the M. Then she did the piece with the glitter, and she has black, silver, black, silver, black, silver, black, silver, black rhinestones at the bottom only with the glitter. And then she did the home with a mixture of every other letter. So the H and the M has a few rhinestones. The rest of it is all glitter. Now, this was Charlie's idea, but it definitely is nice, and she can actually go and brag about this. She did dream, peace, and home. All of those items came from the Dollar Tree, along with the foam board that this is sticking on. So hopefully you all like that DIY. Don't forget to comment below. Let me know what you think. And please, come back to the channel, hit the subscribe button, and like this video so that we can bring to you more DIYs. Thanks for watching. Real beauty, real food, and